yelling, please?
You hurt me! Get him away from me!
Alright, we're gonna stand you up.
Get away from me!
He's gonna
help you, okay?
I'm gonna help you stand up. He won't touch you. He's gonna help you.
Please!
He won't. Don't worry about
Let
him.
me breathe!
Let me help you
I can't do anything!
I'm gonna help you up.
This case occurred on September 6th, 2024, at a Home Depot store.
The cart.
Okay.
So she's carrying 3 full bags of merchandise.
Okay.
She's coming out because she's gonna go exit. Actually, she's going south side of doors.
Okay.
She's out in 3, 2, 1. She should be out. She's in the vestibule.
Hey, police, how's it going? Put the bags down.
I didn't do anything!
Oh, brother, put your bags down.
This is everything I came in with!
Put your bags down.
I did not do anything! I didn't do anything!
Drop your bags, please.
I didn't do...
Let's stay cordial, okay? Just put your bags
Why
down.
are you...
Could you take your backpack
No!
off as well? You have to.
That is...
Take your backpack off.
That is...
Take your backpack off. You're going to go in handcuffs with your backpack on. So,
This is... It's harassment!
what do you want to do?
Stop! I didn't even do anything!
I'm gonna
go away. So you have to listen to him.
Is this you guys?
No, so the bag she's sitting on is ours, but there is
No, I came in with all
Ma'am,
this!
I'm gonna cut this backpack off you if you don't.
You aren't gonna touch! Stop! I'm not even doing anything! I am not doing anything! I am not doing
I'm
anything!
gonna put you in handcuffs with the backpack.
Stop! That's harassment! You're not even
Lincoln too. I can
supposed
take
to put your hands on me without a female! You are breaking the law!
Take it off her hands. Alright.
This is mine! Yeah!
Just
Stop!
Mom, just stop. Give me your other hand, ma'am.
I wasn't even doing
You're good.
anything!
You want me to, if you want
I
your other hand.
wasn't doing anything!
Stop resisting.
I wasn't! I was sitting on my stuff! That's all I was doing!
Look, it's your work code for you. Have a one person.
Can you stop yelling, please?
You hurt me! Get him away from me!
Alright, we're gonna stand you
Get
up.
away from
Help you
me!
stand up,
He's
alright?
gonna help you, okay?
I'm gonna help you stand up. He
won't touch you. He's gonna help you.
Please!
He won't. Don't worry about
Let
him.
me breathe!
Let me
I
help you up,
can't do anything!
I'm gonna help you up.
I thought you were fighting.
No. She's a female, so I can't get too like physical with her. Also, it's optics and all that, so. Oh, where's Cody? All right, I'll start taking stuff out, and then you start letting me know what's going on. This is London.
We don't carry cold.
Can we put her in here for
Yeah, like he's in.
Stephanie, why are you going through every
Narrows my.
Okay. As well.
I don't think so. She had this water bottle when she came in.
There's a pink one as well.
Oh, whichever one she had when she came in, I can tell you if it's mine. That's the one she had when she came in. I don't think so. That one.
This all yours?
Yeah. This is. These are. I don't know if the husky stuff. I think is probably like Home Depot or something.
Yeah, this is probably all from Home Depot.
If it's not yours, I was gonna put all your merchandise here.
Okay.
For photo.
This is like all of this is mine. This is the tag this year.
Okay. Anything that's not yours, I'll take off.
Are all these lucky stuff?
No, we only sell like the Gerber like
This is for
cheap.
mine.
I feel very violated right now.
Yeah, this bag's gonna be from wherever this stuff's from. Cheese and
It could be Home Depot.
yeah. Don't we go drive over to Home Depot on this?
Yeah. Once we sort through all the stuff, it's either Home Depot or Lowe's. Otherwise, you could just throw it in my car and I could do it tomorrow. This is you?
Yeah.
None of this is yours, right?
None of the Husky branded stuff. These.
Or is this yours?
I can check and see.
It's got a tag on it.
The backpack isn't.
Even the purple and the Husky bag.
I searched the black bag. All these tools, these hatchets, all this stuff was in there, and he said it's not theirs. And the bag's brand new too.
The best guess for the bag would be Home Depot.
Can you decide at any time to exercise this leg?
All of you have done something. Shut
Yeah, let's do it. All of this is yours?
Everything right here is mine.
Batteries and then
We'll just take the photo on the ground then. Just to show.
Are you telling me I'm crazy?
No, I'm asking why
That's all in my head?
Okay.
we'll put all this back and ask you.
Yeah, I'll pull my car up and grab it. Do you have big bags? Huge bags? Oh, we could just use that. Look at that, people. Damn.
It's a lot of nuts, bro. Can't see her.
I think she's familiar.
Yeah, I know. That's the point. Are you gonna take the pepper spray?
Yeah, she's getting. Well, I'll ask Sarge if he wants to book because it's an $850 total.
Do you have clothes on under
You're
this?
taking stuff that doesn't even belong.
they're going through all of the property to determine
No!
what you took. Yes, they are.
They're taking shit! I just
Stop.
watched it!
They're sorting through everything
I
because there's
just
stolen merchandise in the car.
watched it!
There's stolen merchandise in the bags. You exited with merchandise you didn't pay for.
Not those bags! No,
They're going
I
to go
did
through all of
not.
it. They're going to go through all of it.
That's...
Knife.
God damn it!
What's your last name?
Stephanie, do you have ID in one of those bags?
No!
Okay, what's your last name?
Richard! Oh, God damn you!
Richard?
Richards?
Stop! God damn you, Bombsing!
You're under arrest for all the merchandise that you took without paying for it.
No!
Yes.
Bombsing!
All that stuff in the gray bag? Or else target stuff?
Bombsing!
Put your feet in the car. Put your feet in the car. Turn and face the front. Stephanie, face the front. Face the front. You're 40 years old.
And you already know! This is harassment!
It's not harassment.
Yes, it is!
How is it harassment if you took property that didn't
Stop!
belong to you?
Just stop!
That's what I'm asking you to do.
It is wrong! What do you expect me to
Steal?
do? Stop! You know.
I have no idea why you're behaving like this.
Stop! Just stop! This isn't right! It isn't
The amount of merchandise that
right!
So this isn't harassment. You brought this upon
Yes,
yourself.
it is!
No, when you steal, you bring the attention upon yourself.
Yes, it is!
How is it harassment? How is it harassment, Stephanie?
Because you know how.
You
Oh!
keep saying that, but obviously I don't know how it's harassment.
You're trying to make me a rat!
I didn't ask you to say who you're stealing it for.
No, you are.
No, I basically said you were
Okay.
caught stealing.
Okay.
And I'm just asking.
Are you telling me I'm crazy?
No, I'm asking why you're
That's
behaving
all
like
in my head.
this. No, never said that. I'm just trying to figure out why you're behaving the way you are. Is there a reason why you're crying the way you are?
Yeah, because it hurt.
What hurt?
You guys are so...
What hurt,
Just
Stephanie?
Stop.
What hurt?
Just stop.
I can stop asking you questions that you don't want to talk to me, but I'm just trying to find out what happened. I'm trying to find out why you're acting the way you are.
For one thing, the didn't need to tackle me.
Okay.
He had no right to put his hands on me.
You'd committed a theft.
I wasn't fighting him. I wasn't doing anything.
Okay. And were you behaving the way you are now? Were you behaving the way you are now?
No, not until he started pull my hands and
So he put his hands on you to stop you.
No, I was sitting on the bag. I was sitting there.
Okay, what did he tell you to do? What did the officer tell you to do?
He said to take the backpack off. I was trying to calm down because there was no reason to make me take it off.
Well, you just said you weren't behaving like this, and you're saying you needed to calm down.
That is...
Stephanie, are you hurt anywhere? No? Okay.
This is legal analysis only, not a retelling of the incident. Terry v. Ohio, 1968, allows a stop based on specific articulable facts. Prior surveillance observations can meaningfully strengthen that legal basis. A verbal refusal to comply is not the same as active physical resistance. That distinction determines whether force that follows is proportionate. Graham v. Connor, 1989, judges force against the offense, threat, and resistance. A nonviolent property offense invites close scrutiny of any force used. Courts ask whether force was reasonable in the moment, not whether it worked. A stated inability to breathe is a recognized trigger point in modern training. That statement generally requires an immediate check of positioning and distress. A claim that officers need a female present to touch someone is a common myth. No general rule bars an opposite-sex officer from using force during an arrest. Cross-gender rules typically govern certain searches, not force decisions themselves. Sorting recovered items and letting a subject claim ownership builds a documented record. That process still depends on accurate photography and a genuine chance to dispute items. Many states tie theft charges directly to the dollar value of property taken. A running total during an investigation often shapes the resulting charge severity. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, requires warnings before custodial interrogation begins. A fragment resembling that warning appears here, but its completeness is unconfirmed. Rhode Island v. Innes, 1980, separates direct questioning from volunteered statements. That line matters for evaluating the extended conversation inside the patrol car. Competing accounts of who escalated first raise a genuine, unresolved factual question. Neither version should be treated as established without independent evidence. Grading the officers C-, reasonable basis, undermined by rapid escalation. Grading the subject D+, non-compliant, but raising a serious proportionality question. Lesson 1. Escalation speed carries its own legal risk, independent of the outcome. Lesson 2. A breathing complaint demands an immediate, documented response. Lesson 3. Widely believed rules about policing aren't always accurate law. Lesson 4. Explaining force reasoning aloud helps only if applied consistently. Lesson 5. Competing accounts of an escalation deserve real, independent scrutiny. What legal topic should we break down next? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more bodycam legal analysis.